Is Microsoft about to cut again? January 2026. And inside the tech world, anxiety is rising every single day because one word is being whispered in Microsoft corridors: layoffs. You're watching Times XP. My name is Riddhi Athri, and let's start with a bigger question here. Is Microsoft, the company behind Windows, Xbox, and AI Copilot, about to lay off thousands of more workers? According to industry reports and insider chatter, yes, possibly. And the timing, that matters a lot. Why January 2026 is making employees nervous? Let's talk about that. Well, Microsoft has a pattern here. Big decisions, they often come in January or in July. And January 2026 is already being flagged internally as a reset month. A moment when teams are re-evaluated, budgets they are redrawn, and people are reconsidered. The question is how big this layoff can be. The numbers that are being discussed, they are not small. Some estimates say that 3% of the workforce, others warn up to 10%. Microsoft has over 2.2 lakh employees worldwide. Basically, that means 11,000 jobs, or in the worst case, 22,000 jobs, all gone globally. Another twist is that Microsoft has already laid off people. Yes, that is the bigger problem. In the past year alone, more than 15,000 employees they were already let go. Not in one go though, but in waves, quite waves, department by department, and now insiders say that this was never a one-year plan. This was a multi-year reconstructing. Microsoft CEO Mr. Satya Nadella has been very clever indirectly. He has said that the company's huge size can slow it down in the AI race. Too many layers, too many approvals, too many hierarchy. And in the age of AI, speed matters more than size, right? AI is the real reason here behind this whole shift. That's the uncomfortable truth. In 2025, AI stopped being an experiment. It became the main driver. Many employees felt human inputs, they were reduced, decisions were automated, tools like Copilot replaced the tasks. Now in 2026, Microsoft wants to go further, fewer people, more automation, faster execution. And you know which teams are more at risk here? According to reports and internal expectations, some departments are more exposed than others. High risk areas include Azure Cloud Computing, Xbox and Gaming Division, Global Sales Team. Why? Because revenue targets they were missed, AI tools are automating workflows, roles are being merged or maybe removed. Then there are engineers and AI teams. What about them? Here's where the picture changes. Not all engineers are unsafe. AI specialists, generative AI team, core cloud infrastructure engineers, those are the roles that are considered more secure. Why? Because Microsoft is spending about $80 billion a year on data centers, GPUs, cloud expansion, AI infrastructure. The money is moving, but it's moving away from people-heavy teams. And now comes the most controversial part of all: return to the office. Starting from 23rd February 2026, Microsoft plans to enforce a strict rule. Employees living within 50 miles of an office, they must come at least 3 days a week. No exceptions for many teams. And employees are calling this something else, a soft layoff. Let me explain what this soft layoff really means. It's very simple. You don't fire people directly. You make conditions really hard for them. Some employees can't relocate, some can't commute. In fact, they won't give up remote work. Some, they resign. Basically, there is no headline, just a quiet exit. Specifically painful when the tech job market, it is already really tight. This is a big shift for Microsoft, ladies and gentlemen. Do you remember the pandemic year? Microsoft, it was seen as flexible. In fact, Microsoft was employee-friendly, remote work supportive. That image, it is fading now. The new focus is automation, physical AI, centralized control. Even though Microsoft, it is making nearly $30 billion in quarterly profit. In the end, let me tell you what this really means. This is not just about layoffs. It's about new Microsoft. A company betting that machines scale better than human. Lean teams beat large organizations. AI will replace layers of management. For employees, it means uncertainty. It means pressure, constant evaluation. So, Here's the final question. Are these layoffs really confirmed? No. Are they being discussed seriously? Yes. Is January 2026 shaping up to be tense inside Venezuela? Absolutely. This is the future that many tech giants they are moving towards. Less people, more AI, higher profit, lower operations, and for thousands of workers, the countdown has already begun.